Get perfect, long-lasting volume with Revlon's Perfect Style 3-time ceramic and ionic 4-piece hot air kit. For smoothing out hair, use the 1 1/4 inch brush attachment. For added volume, use the 1-inch barrel attachment and hold the brush close to the roots. Set your style using the concentrator on the cool setting. Make beautiful, long-lasting volume happen with Revlon.
If there was ever an at-home styling tool that you need in your life, it is this Revlon one-step hairdryer and volumizer. So go ahead and check it out and see how I do my hair at home and get a salon quality blowout with the great amount of volume that we are all looking for. And there you have it. This Revlon one-step hairdryer and volumizer is a total game changer.
Looking for salon-worthy blowouts? Try the one-step hairdryer and volumizer to dry and add body. The unique oval design is perfect for extra lift at the roots and smooth curled ends in up to half the time. One-step styling and gorgeous results. Style confidently